Hello guys, welcome to my channel Influencer. So today I will provide you some online agricultural courses which is recognized by various international university of various and which is guided by various profound international professor. So let's start. So first you have to search, you have to download Coursera app. After this download, just register this and sign through Google or any sign in. And after the signing, just search agriculture courses. Then you will see this type of interface and see there are 64 agriculture courses. You can join these courses for free, and this agriculture courses is this is offered by University of Western Australia, which is enroll for free. You can join these courses for free, but if you want to get certificate, if you want to certificate, then you have to pay for this. So uh, but if you want uh, to join these courses for your knowledge, then this is the best platform to apply for these courses. So this is various kind of agriculture courses like see agriculture economics and sustainable agriculture, insect human interaction, Russian history, various agriculture related various courses here. And this is the Coursera. Through Coursera app you can join this course, and there are another app this app is this is the edx app. Through this edx app, just you have to click first you have to sign in, and then after you have to click the course, and then you have to course. And if you want to join any of your program, you have to search agriculture course. Then you will see in the various agriculture courses which is also issued by various international profound university. See, this is the international courses which is offered by Wageningen University, which is the world best university of agriculture. This is the University of Agriculture. You can join through this link, and you have to click to enroll this courses, and then you can enjoy these courses. But if you want to certificate, then you have to pay for this. And for this, just upgrade to this verified certificate, and then you will see that type of interface, and then you have to click through this payment method, and then put your all the details, and then place order. So this is the very interesting online courses you can join. But if you want to get certificate, then you have to pay for this. After that, there is another agriculture courses which is MOOCs, which is online agriculture courses, which is fully free, and you will get the certificate for free. And if you I will see the one agriculture courses, because all the latest agriculture courses you will see in this platform, and I have already participated in these courses. That's why I know these courses, and this platform is very good platform for every agriculture student. So first, see, this is my certificate list, because I already participated in these 3 courses, and you will see whatever you have done your courses, then you will get this certificate. So this is all about online agriculture courses. Hope you guys getting something new. So if you are like this video, please subscribe my channel and comment below whatever you have doubt, and I will provide you that type of, and whatever I am getting I will provide you. So thank you so much guys, and please share with your friend, because this is very interesting courses for all agriculture students. So please share this video, and please subscribe my channel, and I will give you all the link of online courses in my description box, so don't worry. So thank you so much guys, hope you guys getting something new. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Take care, all the best.